Make it easier. Here's a tutorial on how to make table of contents. First step is to create a new document with the name table of contents. Next, input the text for the content. To insert the page number, find and click Insert in the ribbon. Then, click page numbers in the header and footer. After that, select the page number and format you want. Next step is to apply heading style. Select Unit 1 to Unit 6, click Styles, then apply Heading 1. For the rest, apply Heading 2. Then, click the beginning of the document, go to References, click Table of Contents Group, then click the automatic Table 2. And there you go! Now you have your table of contents made in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching. This is Kaios. Maayos!